Number 11. Conversation flows. It means when discussion is smooth and continuous without awkward pauses.
Our conversation flows whenever we talk about music. Our conversation flows whenever we talk about music. They were happy because the conversation flowed naturally. They were happy because the conversation flowed naturally. A good conversation flows without much effort. A good conversation flows without much effort.
Number 12. Follow a fitness program. It means to adhere to a structured exercise routine.
She follows a fitness program to stay healthy. She follows a fitness program to stay healthy. Following a fitness program can improve your health. Following a fitness program can improve your health. He started to follow a fitness program last month. He started to follow a fitness program last month.
Number 13. Follow a path. It means to go along a specific route or direction.
Just follow the path through the woods. Just follow the path through the woods. She followed a path that led to the lake. She followed a path that led to the lake. They followed a path to success with hard work. They followed a path to success with hard work.
Number 14. Follow the rules. It means to obey the guidelines or regulations set.
It's important to follow the rules at school. It's important to follow the rules at school. She always follows the rules while playing games. She always follows the rules while playing games. If you follow the rules, you avoid trouble. If you follow the rules, you avoid trouble.
Number 15. Gain access. It means to obtain the right or opportunity to use or see something.
He gained access to exclusive files. He gained access to exclusive files. Students gain access to the library. Students gain access to the library. Gain access to the system with a password. Gain access to the system with a password.